Hey everybody, Matt with TheLowCashHomestead. We finally got this Impiva induction cooktop hooked up. And I gotta say, we've been using a little Copper Chef cooktop. Here's the opposite end of it. It's black. It's impossible to keep it clean, like sparkling, shiny, beautiful. But we do use iron, and we're doing some chicken Caesar salads tonight. So we got some chicken breast going there. We got some chicken breast going there. So far, it's been working really great. This is a 30-inch model. It has all our controls here. The controls are ultra sensitive. They're like just barely touch. Like the controls on this stove are more sensitive than the controls are on my Galaxy, on my phone. So it's taking a little bit of getting used to. But we're cooking up dinner tonight on our new Impiva 30-inch induction cooktop. This wasn't that much. I think it was less than 400, and it was pretty easy to put in. It's just 2 wire with ground, and I used the 10 gauge, and it's running on a 40 amp circuit along with my oven, so I'll be able to run both of these at the same time. This is Matt with TheLowCashHomestead. It only took me a month and a half or so to get the stupid thing installed from the time that I got it, but we're cooking on it now. Thank you very much. Have a good night. Okay, so here's another thing that we're figuring out with this Impiva cooktop, and that is the heat settings. The Copper Chef cooktop has programmable numbers. You can change the temperature by any interval at 10 degrees. This doesn't have that. It does have what would be called a jet boil function, and that is this little button right here. I'm not going to touch it because I don't want to put it into boost, but that is boost, where it drives extra current into that particular burner. If you are cooking on a good propane cooktop, then you're probably familiar with the jet boil function. Essentially, based on what the owner's manual and the instruction manual says, that is what the bee does. Yeah, I can push this. This is my keep warm function. You can see if I can get in there where you can see that. That little thermometer is my keep warm function. I can pause this. I can set each burner to operate at a particular time. And one thing I do like is it also has a lock function. So I can lock it, and then there is a procedure to unlock it so that, you know, with this being in the island in the middle of our kitchen, and our house is laid out kind of unique in that our kitchen is in the smack center of the house.
We're on the hills.
Not sure why, but that's why it is. What did you say, babe?
We're on the hills, that's why.
Yeah, okay, yes, we live in the hills, but that's not why the kitchen is in the middle of the house. And then I'm going to just, let me show you something else real quick. And that is right over here. My fabulous helper is chopping. Oh, fabulous helper. Wait, before you cut, fabulous helper. Before you cut, there's something you forgot to do. I want you to take a good look at that pepper and tell me what's still there that shouldn't be. Did you wash that pepper? We didn't grow these peppers, so we have to wash them. You can still wash it. Just get the label off and wash it. We are growing peppers. They're just not mature yet. So, you know, these are purchased, and I always wash purchased vegetables.